we are coming to you live from endaweni yaseNhlungwana, Ward 54, next to Kwamashu, endaweni yakwa-Bester. So we are here today because of Gagasi Cares for KZN Foundation, and sizela sizolekelela sibona abantu esimeni abaphila kuso nendlela abahlala kuyo. We are in a community hall. Njengoba ulibona nje leli hall is not too big, but if you can imagine, if you can stretch your imagination, kule ndawo sikuyona njengamanje kunabantu about 150 abahlala kule ndawo. I'm talking about men, women and children who constantly have to share this very same living space. Bekade labantu over just 2 weeks ago benemizi yabo namakhaya abo have now been left abandoned. Sebehleli la bayampintshana, bayaphuma abanye ekseni bashintshane, khona abanye bezosala begeza kanjalo. It's a very desperate and dire situation. So as Gagasi FM, we saw it fitting ukuthi size nathi sizolekelela and put in a helping hand kusona lesi simo abantu bala eNhlungwana ababhekene naso. About 150 people are living in this one community hall, but the sad reality is akusilona kuphela iholo elikhona in and around eThekwini elihlalise abantu kanje. So we are pleading with you as business people, as businessmen and women and corporate South Africa to come and assist. Makuthi na uyafuna ukuzolekelela la khona Ward 54 ungathintana nekhansela noma ama ward committee members, noma ungeza kwiGagasi FM uxhumane nathi, uhlanganise izandla kanye nathi as we help KZN, as we help iTheku namaphethelo nala ulimele khona. So ungasithinta ke kwi-website yethu at gagasiworld.co.za, uklikhe lapha kwi-banner ethi Gagasi Cares for KZN Fund. Uzokwazi ukuthi ungene lapho uthole ama-details onke, ama-banking details nayo yonke into ongayidinga ukuthi ukwazi nawe ukufaka isandla ulekelele. More than anything, this is to help and to try and assist imphakathi yakhona la eThekwini namaphethelo ethintekile nelimele ngokukhahlamezeka ngenxa yalesi simo seyimvula eyifikile zalimaza across the entire province of KZN. So go on over to the website gagasiworld.co.za and do lend a helping hand. No donation is too small, no donation is too big. Whatever it is that you can give will surely go a long way.